recitals here on the right. Yo, I was correct. IBC. I think I said IBC. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I'm sure you will. Here we go as we drive towards Fukada. Still have a ways to go here. And if you keep hitting me red lights, it's going to take a while. We have now got to Orange Tree on the right, and Oak Creek Golf Club and Grill on the left. Oh, look at that, another red light. But will it change? Will it change before we get there? Oh, magic right there. I like that. And we're driving past, I think it is Capital Group here on the left, which is pretty awesome. I love that building. Gotta do some flying. And then on the right we have a ZAG, so I've gotta do some flying around here with the DJI Mini to get some nice shots of logos and stuff. And show you around what it's like to see Irvine from the sky. So long as the DJI Fly app will allow me to fly, because so many different places I've been here in Irvine, it just won't let me fly. So kind of a bummer, guys. Here we go, we're getting closer. Before you know it, we'll be driving past the KPMG building, and then we'll be pretty close to Fukada. Can we get this green light? Come on. Ooh. Come on, let's get 2 green lights in a row. As we pass by the Marriott here on the